Welcome to Alpha Tech Pet, science and technology for all your pet care solutions. Since 1989, Alpha Tech Pet has been engineering superior, environmentally friendly cleaners, disinfectants, sterilizers, and odor eliminators to eradicate disease transmission, improve your facility's performance, and significantly reduce cost. And when we say science and technology, we mean it. Like Kennel Sol, the ideal disinfectant that's also a cleaner, effective against one of the most difficult to control pathogens, canine parvovirus, which provides peace of mind when it comes to controlling other easier to kill microorganisms, and biodegradable, so it's safe for you and our planet. Or how about our ready-to-use sterilizers that disinfects in 1.5 to 2 minutes and sterilizes in just 20 minutes, killing all microbes and spores while breaking down into just oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide. That is science and technology. Imagine killing microbes 3,000 times faster with 50% more power than bleach, using nothing more than ozone-infused water. All our aqueous ozone products do just that and more, while cutting your chemical costs by up to 70%. And once you realize that all our cleaners, sterilizers, and disinfectants have a near-neutral pH, which means they will not corrode your facility infrastructure or harm your employees and pets, you will fully understand our science and technology. Alpha Tech Pet has the perfect healthy sanitation process for veterinarians and animal hospitals, kennels, doggy daycare, groomers, pet resorts, pet supply stores, humane societies, shelters and rescues, aquariums, zoos and farms, breeders, trainers and military canine, and especially your home. If you care about your facility and employees, then you will love Alpha Tech Pet. Contact us today and discover for yourself what science and technology will mean for you.